Wee! It's Friday, 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 the 18th of July. Still hard at it. Been up since 3 a.m. Let's go see what Mallory's doing. Well, looky there. Looks like somebody's gonna have a little goat snuggling booth. Well, looky there. We got some birds. Maybe I should run a temporary fence. Y'all guys gonna be up here mingling, aren't you? This is where we hang out, Dad. This is where we hang out. Oh, I did see Mallory pick some yellow squash out of that garden there. Looking pretty good. Lots of green tomatoes, lots of little cucumbers, but I've yet to get one to eat. I'm waiting. Lots of zucchini started. Quite a few little peppers too. Oh, looks like automatic chicken water is leaking. I think she's leaking. Oh, I knew this would happen. See, we're supposed to be over there relatively quick. And, Stormy, I know I said that in last night's video that she had to have her nails done, hooves done, trimmed, of all days. Just add more irons to the fire. But I knew that she would be out here scrubbing on this horse because she can't take it over there looking dirty. But you know, she's yelling at the chickens. They're in there. Yeah. Boys are like, where are you going with our friend? She got flies all over. Spinning her tail. She does not like that at all. Lily! Jeff! I have determined that the Lamacha goat is the most needy goat. Or at least for me. Look at them chickens going in and out there. They're going in there. They're going in there to get that hog feed. Well, hello, Negan. Oh, there goes Blue, too. There goes Blue. They're all going in there. It's 100-pound bags of feed. And yeah, they burlap sack. They try to peck through it. Get on out of here. Get on out of here. Get on out of here. Is that everybody? I hope so. No, you're not going in there. Mr. Blue lost all his tail feathers. All following. Oh, dirty. Well, all right, guys. We'll check back in just a little bit. And Moo Moos.
Devin, she's been gone.
Moo Moos.
Went to Wyoming with her
Hi, Moo
niece.
Moos.
Took a horse.
Hi, Moo
to the
Moos.
rodeo thing.
Hi, Moo Moos.
You get out there,
Oh my goodness.
almost everybody's riding Aunt
Hi.
so-and-so's in a fire backup horse or something.
Hello.
You go from Michigan.
Hello.
I guess it's good for you.
Hello. Hi.
And one day, they went
Hello,
closing in
hello, hello.
1907.
Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. All right, guys. I'm just getting done mowing some grass. Got a few other things to wrap up. Got chores to do. I guess we got some reinforcements coming. I don't know. But anyhow, you know, it was just, what was this video about? Somebody tell me. Oh, we went and got the horse's hooves trimmed and among other things. But yeah, we're just getting ready for that goat cuddling. Or goat snuggles, bunny cuddles. If she'd have just left the goats in there and not threw the bunnies in there, that's all right. I did have her, I don't know what she's doing now. She's working on some sign or something. But I had to laugh. She's making all kinds of Cedar Acre shirts. And I'm like, well, did you make me one? She goes, no. I'm like, okay. I guess I just won't wear a Cedar Acre shirt tomorrow. I got one on now, guys. Mine get kind of dirty, though, because y'all know I'm the CEO. But anyhow, don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Hopefully, I'll have some good footage from the event tomorrow, but I don't know. It's supposed to get some rain. We are going to run it again on Sunday from 12 to 4. But, yeah, like I said in the last video, it won't be the last one we do, but it is what it is right now. Got a lot of work to do yet. And I'm tired. Probably should see it in my eyes. I've been up since 3 a.m. And that's nobody's fault but mine. I got up and I couldn't go back to sleep. But anyhow, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Love y'all. See you on the next one.